Hey, what's up guys? It's Jonathan here, back with another public stock portfolio update. So I decided to change the format of these updates a little bit. We're going to start off with recapping some of the moves that we made in the account. Then we'll do a recap of how the portfolio is doing overall. And I'll give you guys a quick update on the AMC challenge. So if this video provides you any value, please hit the like and subscribe button. I looked at my analytics recently, about 85% of you guys are not subscribed. So consider hitting that subscribe button. They both greatly help out the channel and help push this video out to as many people as possible. So let's get right into it. So this week was a pretty busy week when it comes to trades. And as always, if you guys want to see me make these trades in real time, check me out on Public. I have a link down below where you get free stock up to $70. Sign up for Public using that link. If you're interested, check it out. So on Monday, we started off the week by buying some Amazon, and we bought about $2 worth at $3,407.97 per share. I haven't been buying the stock recently, and that's mostly because of some of the other deals we've seen in the market. But I do plan on adding to this position more. So next purchase we made on Monday is that we bought some Etsy, and we bought about $3 worth of Etsy at $210.53 per share. And on Monday it fell about 4%. This was purely a buy dip move. Also on Monday, we bought some Cloudflare. We bought $1 worth of Cloudflare at $126.11 a share. And this was just more of a position building move just to add more to Cloudflare. And then also on Monday, we got a bonus payout. So the first one for this channel, we had someone sign up using the link down below. And we got $3 of Tesla at $1,056.34 a share. Huge shout out to the person who used the link down below to sign up for Public. You know who you are already, so I don't have to mention it, but thank you. On Tuesday, that dollar of Cloudflare I bought the day before, actually ended up selling it the next day. And I sold it at $119.83. So I took a little bit of a hit on that, but I did that to roll that money over into a different position. And that position was Etsy. I bought $1 of Etsy at $198.83 per share. My conviction in Etsy is much higher than my conviction in Cloudflare. So that was the reason for that rotation. Then also on Tuesday, I did buy some more Enphase. I bought about $3 worth of Enphase at $173.42 per share. This was a buy to dip purchase. I did want to add to my position in Enphase. I'm very bullish on Enphase long term. In the words of Kathy Wood, this is deep value territory. And on Tuesday as well, I did buy some more Tesla. I bought about $1 of Tesla at $1,151.33 per share. In my opinion, that's a little high of a price to pay for Tesla at this point. I like it a little bit more in the $1,000 to $1,100 range. So on Friday, we did another rotation. What we did is that we sold $2 of Disney at $156.92 per share. And that money was rolled over to buy Enphase. We bought $2 of Enphase at $151.91. That's a really good price for Enphase in my opinion. So now let's go into the iPad. I'll give you a recap on how the portfolio is doing as a whole. So currently the portfolio sits at $151.94. And all time we're down about 17% on the portfolio. Let's start off with the first position we have here, which is Tesla. And our Tesla position is up 17%. Even in the midst of this risk off move we've seen in the market, Tesla actually has performed pretty well. And that's mostly because we've seen the cloud of Elon selling kind of go away. The stock is doing pretty well. Currently makes up about 21.5% of the portfolio. And the next position we have is Enphase. And our Enphase position is actually down 13%. So it has not fared as well as Tesla. I think that when a stock like Enphase is beaten up to the amount that it is, makes a really good buying opportunity. And currently we're at our average price of $167 a share. I'm pretty excited about that because I could definitely see Enphase being a $250 company within the next 2 years. And currently our position in Enphase makes up about 19% of the portfolio. The next position we have here is Robinhood, and our Robinhood position is down 47%. When it comes to Robinhood, I think that the market has absolutely lost their mind on this valuation. I was actually looking at it the other day, and I believe that Robinhood has about $10 billion worth of cash, but their market cap is at like $15 billion. The market is like basically just valuing them on their cash, which is absolutely ridiculous because that pretty much says that you don't think Robinhood's going to grow at all. I think some of us out there do believe that. For me personally, I do not believe that. It is another position I have not been afraid to pick up some, as it makes up about 13% of the portfolio. Next position we have here is Alphabet, and our Google position is down about 4%, and it currently makes up about 12% of the portfolio. Again, I think Google is going to be a really good ad play in 2022, so I'm looking forward to that. The next position we have here is Etsy. Our Etsy position is down 15% now. Etsy has had a pretty sharp sell-off in the past couple of trading days, so I probably am going to be looking to add more to this position. It currently makes up about 8% of our portfolio. The next position we have here is Amazon. Our Amazon position, it's down, but it's not down too much, about 5.5%. It makes up currently 5% of our portfolio. This has kind of been the neglected stock, as we've seen a sell-off throughout the entire market. So I would like to add more to Amazon at some point. The next position we have here is Disney, and our Disney position is currently up about 1/3%. Disney has kind of set in this weird place where we're not sure if it's a value stock or if it's a growth stock. It's kind of been acting like a middleman between the two. And that's why I think that we haven't really seen Disney run, kind of like the airline and oil stocks. But at the same time, we also haven't seen it plummet the way we've seen tech plummet. So it's kind of staying steady right now throughout the midst of this mayhem in the market. Our Disney position currently makes up about 4% of the portfolio. And then our next position here is NVIDIA. Our NVIDIA position is down about 12.5%. NVIDIA is one where I still think it is overpriced. I would like to see it a little bit more in like the 250 range, but 270 isn't really a bad price. I guess you could say I'm somewhat getting FOMO on that company. I still want to be somewhat involved in it. That's why I have decided to mix it into my portfolio, but not too much because it currently makes up a little under 3% of it. So the next position we have here is Matterport. Matterport, along with a lot of the other high valuation software companies, have been getting beat up quite a bit recently. And our position in Matterport is currently down about 28%. So it's no exception to this beatdown. I think Matterport long-term will do well, so I am open to buying more of it, especially if it falls any more than what it's at right now. And it currently makes up a little under 3% of the portfolio. Our next position here is Cloudflare. Our Cloudflare position is down almost 20%. Like I said about Matterport, it is another software company. It makes up about 2.5% of the portfolio. Our next position here is Palantir. Our Palantir position is down 26%. Again, another software company that's getting beat up pretty badly. And that one makes up about 2.5% of the portfolio. Our next position here is Trade Desk, another ad play. That position is down 12% right now. The price that Trade Desk is at right now, it's not terrible. I like it a little bit more in the 70 range, but even in the 80s, it's not too bad of a buy. I think once it starts crossing 90, then it becomes a little too much. So the next position we have here is Redfin. I'm probably not going to add to it anytime soon. I think it's just going to get beat down even more before it starts to revert back up. So I'm probably going to hang tight on this one for the while. We're currently down about 33% and makes up a little over 1 3/4 of the portfolio. Next position we have here is Bitcoin. Our Bitcoin position is down about 13% and makes up a little over 1.5% of the portfolio. I'm not looking to add to this position right now. That's also the same for the next position we have here, which is Ethereum. Our Ethereum position is down a little under 18%. It makes up a little over 1.5% of the portfolio. Probably, again, like Bitcoin, not going to add to it anytime soon. Our next position here is DocuSign. We're down about 13% on DocuSign. DocuSign is another software company, so it does have that sky-high valuation behind it. There probably is still more pain to come when it comes to DocuSign, and right now it currently makes up about 0.5% of the portfolio. A quick update on the AMC challenge. So we bought about 4 shares of AMC at $37 a share, and right now it currently sits at $22.95 per share. So we're down almost 40% or about $55. Like I did say, I did hold the stock all the way until the end of the year, but now that position may be on the chopping block as I look to raise cash to buy the dip in some of my more favorite stocks. So that's basically all I got for you guys this week. Thank you so much for watching. So like I said at the beginning of the video, about 85% of you guys are not subscribed. So consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you get notified anytime I post a new video. If you made it to the end of this video, you probably like the other videos I post. So consider subscribing. Also, let me know in the comment section down below, do you like this new format or do you like the old format better? What things from the old format of these videos did you like better? I'd love to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section down below about it. Also, check me out on all my social medias. I have been posting more short videos on my Instagram and TikTok. So check it out if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.